Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be cleaning my fridge. It's very extremely random, but it's nice. I like it. My brother is getting his stool right now, so like both of us are gonna, clean the fridge together. So the first thing we're gonna do is take the expired food, expired drinks or something out, because who eats expired food? Fish. Okay. This one's expired. It's expired. Hello everyone. I'm back, and this is my brother, my older brother, Louie. My name's Angel, and today we're going to be cleaning our fridge. And taking like the bad food out already. Wait, before this we went to Big C and we bought food, more groceries. So every time we buy groceries, we always clean the fridge because it's full of bad food and bad things.
Okay. Keep a mango that's already sliced here.
Guys, this is what we've made. Like, it's candy my brother made, and then it's bad, so
Not canal.
it's canal people. The insider. Put it here.
Yeah, just put it there.
I'll put it.
Ato lang mas kanta.
Oh, so cute! Again. Wow. You sound so small. Oh no. I sound so small.
Ito kalate.
Oh my gosh, it's overflowing.
So, I will come to clean the butter, fantastic. Shake a body also like a big Titanic move. Shriek, fantastic. Shake a body also like a big Titanic fantastic. Shake a body also like a big Titanic and a very move. Stick, fantastic. Shake a body also like a big Titanic.
I'm all done cleaning this. We're all. Now we're gonna put the trays back in because we need to do it. It's part of the fridge. We have already finished putting Yeah, in the fridge. Now we're gonna put the groceries we bought earlier today, and the food that are still okay. Yeah. So we're already finished cleaning the fridge and putting the stuff in the fridge. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on post notifications to be notified every time we post a video. Thank you and goodbye.